Okay, everyone, welcome to this stunning of tiny house where modern design meets the tranquil of nature. Nestled in a lush green forest, this home offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Inside, you will find a minimalist interior with warm wooden floors, a cozy kitchenette, a loft bedroom, and a sleek bathroom with a shower. Outside, a deck with a railing invites you to enjoy the surroundings beauty. Okay, let's step inside and explore this perfect blend of simplicity and sustainability. Okay, this is a small, stunning, off-grid tiny house where modern simplicity and natural beauty come together to create a perfect living space. Nestled in a tranquil setting, this tiny house boasts a clean, minimalist interior that maximize every inch of space. And let's step inside and explore how design functionality and sustainability blend perfectly in this cozy home. As you enter, the first thing that catch your eyes is the open, airy feelings of the space. Okay, then the wooden floors add warmth and texture to the minimalist design, making the small house feel inviting and comfortable. The clean lines and uncluttered space emphasize the beauty of simplicity, offering a serene environment perfect for relaxation and unwinding. Okay, then to the left, you will find the small kitchenette, practical yet stylish. Every element is carefully designed to be space efficient, from a sleek countertops to the compact appliance. It's the perfect place to prepare a quick meal or a cup of coffee while enjoying the peace of your surroundings. Despite its size, the kitchen has everything you need, making it ideal for an off-grid lifestyle. Above, the loft bedroom offers a cozy and private retreat. Accessed by a small staircase, the loft is perfect for resting and rejuvenating after a long day anyway. The space is simple yet comfortable with just enough room for a bed and a small shelf to store personal items. The minimalist design keeps the loft uncluttered, making it feel open and spacious. And despite its compact size, okay, then one of the standout features of this tiny house is the large window that fill the space with natural light. These windows are not just functional, they are strategically placed to allow the outside world to become part of the home. So the beautiful serene outside is reflected in the light that pours in, creating a calm and welcoming environment. On the right side of the house, you will notice the large frameless window, a design features that brings the outdoors inside. This expansive window lets in a flood of natural light, making the space feel even bigger and brighter. It also offers an incredible views of the surroundings, letting you enjoy the beauty of nature from the comfort of your home. Okay, well, the overall layout of this tiny house is designed to be both functional and beautiful. Every detail is thoughtfully considered to maximize space and create a sense of openness. From the minimalist kitchen to the loft bedroom, uh, the large window, including the frameless one, allow the natural beauty outside to become part of the design. Okay, connecting to the interior to the landscape is a truly special way. And this off-grid tiny house is perfect example of how modern simplicity can create a beautiful functional living space with a clean design, natural materials, and a large window that let in plenty of light. It's peaceful retreat that combines comfort with sustainability. Whether you are looking for a permanent home or a getaway, this tiny house offers a minimalist lifestyle that doesn't compromise on style or comfort. Okay, well, this space is perfect example of how minimalist design can create both functional and tranquility. Let's take a look closer at the clean and serene interior that makes this bathroom feel like a peaceful retreat. And as you step inside, you immediately notice the calming minimalist atmosphere. The wooden floor add warmth and texture, making the space feel inviting despite its compact size. This bathroom truly showcases how less can be more, with every design elements carefully chosen to provide both practical and elegance. Okay, then to the right you will see the toilet, simple yet efficient, and just beside it is the wastafel with a sleek design that complements the overall aesthetic. The mirror above the sink not only enhances the space visual but also reflects to the natural light that pours in the large window, making the entire room feel brighter and more open. Okay, then next we have the shower cabin. It's compact yet comfortable space, designed with clean lines and minimal hardware to keep the look simple and fresh. And the transparent glass doors of the shower allows the light to flow freely, helping the space feel open and airy rather than cramped. Okay, then the ceiling features an exhaust fan secretly placed to maintain proper ventilation, ensuring that this bathroom remains fresh and functional. With every detail has been with every detail has been carefully thought out to balance from the function in this small yet efficient space. And one of the standout features of this bathroom is the large window that fills the one entire side of the wall. This not only lets in a generous amount of natural light, but also allows for stunning views of the surrounding environment anyway, bringing the outdoor inside. Uh, the window offers a sense of openness and connection to nature, which is perfect for an off-grid home like this one. And with its clean, minimalist design, natural wood elements, and thoughtful layout, this bathroom provides all the necessary amenities while maintaining a calm and uncluttered feel. The large window, in particular, enhanced the space by letting the natural light and offering a peaceful views, creating a serene atmosphere that invites relaxation. Okay, then this bathroom is a perfect example of how simplicity can create a beautiful, functional, and peaceful environment. Every detail is designed with care, making the most of the space feel while ensuring that every element is purposeful and serene. Whether you are using it for a quick shower or simply enjoying the light and the view, this bathroom truly enhanced the living experience of this off-grid tiny house. Okay, well, everyone, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now is only focused on the theme and of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronizing layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with I hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration about tiny home, about the tiny home design, exterior, interior, and tiny home layout, especially. Okay, so thanks for joining us on this tour of the stunning of the tiny house, and let us know about the comment. What do you think about this minimalist design? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching until the end, and just wait for my next video. And have a good day.